Hello friends, let's try doing a curly ink video. Let's do this in real time and I'll just edit it. So this is actually one way to fill up your daily pages if you have trouble figuring out what to put on your pages. So for today I figured why not do a curly inked list. So these are all my pens that are currently inked. Yeah, it is a bit much, I think, because I do have 11 here, and typically I will fill it up all the way. So 12. Amazing enough, yes, I only have 11. I have that self-control this time. So let's just go ahead from left to right. So this is the Monteverde Innova Charm in ombre. I really like the pink transitioning all the way to purple. Such a pretty pen. This is an Omniflex nib, and I have Diamine Hope Pink in here. Right there, you can actually see Monteverde Omniflex. And the Monteverde is over here on the cap. So let's go ahead and do this one first. Okay, next is my Esterbrook SD. This is the Quirky Leaf. This is the Fine Nib. So it's a very retro looking pen. Kind of like those 70s colors. I have Ferris Wheel Press ink in this one, Majestic Mint. I typically grade the combination, so I would remember if it's a good pairing or not. I would actually give this an A. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. The Monteverde Innova with the Diamine Hope Pink, absolutely A++. I love the combination. Next on my currently inked is my Myers Pen Co. Addicted to Pens Alpha Model Exotic Orchid. I just did a closer look for this one in one of my videos. It's such a pretty pen. Look at the golds, the silver right there. And of course the purple, swirls of purple and light purple. Very pretty, more silver on the cap. I had to stop filming there for a bit. I had a tickle in my throat and started coughing. So this is the Alpha Model Exotic Orchid in a Flex FPR nib. And I am using Pilot Murasaki. Should keep it. Next is the Sailor Pro Gear Slim. You can see Sailor 1911. The finial has that kind of peachy nude color. I think this is the Autumn or Winter Rain. And it is actually two-tone, I think. Yeah, it's 21K. It's a medium fine. Oh goodness, I already forgot. That's an A++ grade. Oops. Can you hear the feedback? I love the feedback of Sailor. And this is actually a pilot. This is also an A+. Okay. It's an A+. All right. Okay. Next is this Myers Pen Co. Kensington XL in New York Cheesecake. This is such a pretty pen. Look at it. Look at the reds. Really looks like that strawberry syrup. This is the cheesecake part, obviously, and then the graham cracker crust. This one has an Opus 88 bold nib. So pretty. This one posts. Quite long, but it's still very comfy if you want to post it. This is Myers & Co. Kensington XL, Opus 88 Bold 9, and it's raw sienna. This one's an A, and wet ink combo that I've had problems with the ghosting. So I think for this nib, maybe a drier ink next time, but really an A is still a pretty good grade. Okay, next I have a Le Bon. You can see Le Bon there. This is the Winter Snow, I think. It is white with some beige light tan color with a gold tip with an L at the top. Gold clip. This one is a fine steel nib. This one is a Ferris wheel press ink in Terracotta Canyon. This one's a good combination. I like this one a lot too. Okay. Now let's go to our next one. Ever since I unboxed this one and added the ink, it's still going strong. It might be on its end. Not quite. Still have quite a lot. But this is the Leonardo Momento Zero in Pietra Marina. There you go. It says Leonardo. Blues and browns. Kind of reddish brown. Very pretty. I love Leonardo pens. This is a flex nib. Fine flex. Where should we put it? I think we should go to this side now. There's some skips. Wow. I think it might be getting dry. I haven't had issues. Might be getting dry. Does this happen to you? Okay, let's just flood it a little bit. Oh no. This has never happened to me. Not on this pen. Okay. This is in a Flex Fine. And this one is using a linen 2-bar Sun Moon Ruby Lake, I think. Sun Moon Ruby Lake Tea. I always mess them up. So this one is actually an A, but this is the first time that it's skipping. So I don't know. If you guys know why, I just used this yesterday and I had it stored like this. So it's not like it's not flooding it. So let me know if that you've encountered that problem. Next is the Platinum 3776 in the red, the wine red. I don't know how to say it. It's in French. Bourgogne. I don't know. I tried. This one is a 14K EF nib. It's a gold nib, hence the 14K. And gold accents, gold here in the section to match the nib. I don't even know if that's how. Benitsuchi. Is it a Kobe ink or Nagasaki ink? Wow, I'm horrible at this. So this one, also an A. Oops. Okay. Okay, next is my Pilot Decimo. So it's a little tinier than the Vanishing Point. This is the Decimo. It has a fine nib that's 18 karat. So this is in Champagne. So this is Pilot Decimo. Here to feedback. And I'm using the Robert Oster collaboration with the Coffee Monsters Co. This is the Coffee Monster ink. In this one, I love the combo, A++. Very satisfying click. Okay, next, almost, we are done, we're almost done. These are the last two. Okay. This, oh, before I start there, let me show a close-up. This is the Pelikan M400. Do you say pelican or pelican? I don't know. This is the second, I would say, so it's M200 and M400. So the next step up. I think this is already a gold nib. Yes. So this is a medium, very broad compared to like a medium sailor or platinum, because this is a German Western nib. Oh wow, it's almost empty. So this is a very pretty tortoiseshell. There you go, tortoiseshell. Pelikan M400 Sugaron tortoiseshell in a medium. Okay. And see, it writes so broad. This one is a Sailor Manyo Fuji ink, which is like dual shading. I use it because it's broad. Oh no, oh good. What do we give it? A. So far, I'm very generous. I like the combination. And then lastly is a Benu. This one is a talisman model, so different from the Euphoria model. So this is the Lily of the Incas talisman. And supposedly there's a part of the lily in here that is embedded in the resin. Let's take a closer look, but those specks are kind of copper orange color. And then of course I fell in love with the dark pink with the black. Just very striking combination. This post really well, very comfy. This is the Benu. It's a very wet ink as well. So this one, even though it's a medium, for some reason this writes like a broad, this nib. This is the talisman Lily of the Incas, and I'm using Ink Institute Shuinandong, I think. Oh goodness, I don't know how to say it or spell it. Shuinandong, I think. Oh no. Okay, once I find it, I will link it, or I will write the exact spelling and name of the ink down in the description box. This one, I like the shading. You can see lighter at times, and then once it dries, it definitely is different when it's still very wet. But then it has those kind of pink dual shading. That's why I like fountain pen inks. So this one, I think it deserves a solid A, not an A minus. I do like the color changing once it's dry. So these are my currently inked pens. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more of these type of videos showing different pens. So thanks for watching. Bye.